Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to connect your phone to Ford Escape. First, make sure your phone's Bluetooth is enabled. Next, put your Ford Escape in park for safety. Then, navigate to the Sync System menu on your car's display. This initial setup ensures a smooth connection process. We'll walk through each step to get your device paired quickly and easily. Now, on your Ford Sync screen, select Add Device. On your phone, open Bluetooth settings and look for Sync in the Available Devices list. Once you see it, select it. A 6-digit PIN will appear on both your phone and the car's display. Confirm these numbers match to complete the secure pairing process. With your phone connected, you can now enjoy several convenient features. Make hands-free calls using voice commands or the Sync display, keeping your focus on the road. You can also stream your favorite music or podcasts directly from your phone. Plus, access your phone's contacts right from the car's screen for easy dialing. If you encounter any issues, try these helpful tips. Sometimes, deleting old, unused devices from Sync can improve performance. A simple restart of both your phone and the Sync system can also resolve minor glitches. For more detailed guidance, always refer to your Ford Escape owner's manual for specific instructions.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.